My name is Maria Moran. I'm a regional manager for IMEC. IMEC is part of a national MEP network, the Manufacturing Extension Partnership, under the U.S. Department of Commerce. And our mission is to support Illinois manufacturing, help them grow and compete. Gilster Mary Lee was struggling finding workforce, and it was affecting their productivity and their sales. And so in conversation with IMEC, we asked them just how open are they to some creative solutions for these workforce challenges. Particularly, they were looking for entry-level positions. And so IMEC, Autism Workforce, and Gilster, we all worked together on outreach and assessing risk and really assessing the financial viability of a solution of this nature.
We are aligning our Autism Ready protocols directly with their standard operating procedures. And one of the ways that we do that is by adding our skill assessment to the interview process. It's a critical piece in finding the best person for the right job.
Oftentimes when I'm talking to businesses around this solution, there's some hesitation and they're not quite sure what it looks like or how we're going to get there. The beauty is in the systematic approach and our partnership with Autism Workforce.
We are, helping the company to develop standard work and universal practices or job aids to support this position, and ultimately educating those managers or coworkers how to implement those strategies and best practices, and supporting the onboarding process, whether it's on-the-job training or providing follow-up management coaching throughout the process, so that once we are out of the onboarding process, we can continue to support management implementing our model to hire, train, and retain their new workforce.
IMEC is very good with understanding manufacturing, and Autism Workforce knows what these employees need in order to support them in the workplace so that they can produce and be independent in their jobs. This is not a charity decision. This is stealth business. The numbers tell the story.